Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video you will see a lot of me. There I am waving to you guys because it's highly requested that I be seen in some of the videos. So there I am waving to my subscribers, sending love, hugs to you all. Okay, so this video is on some fried fish. So you will not see me, but I got some fish. I felt for some fish. I got some fish. I cleaned them. I seasoned them, and here I am frying them. No, I will not leave any information in the description box. This is like easy. This is a Jamaican easy. It's just a little salt, any type or kind of fish seasoning you choose to use, that's up to you. I used fish seasoning that I had on hand, and a little salt, black pepper because it's fish. Also for frying, I added some hot pepper to the oil to fry these fishes, because in another video I did some Escoveitched sauce because I wanted some Escoveitched fish. There's nothing hard in this besides I'm just frying fish on medium heat with some vegetable oil because I want to use up my sauce that I made. So I just fry the fishes on both sides. Make sure also once you pour your oil in, learn this, once you pour your oil in and the oil starts to get hot, once the oil gets quiet, just know it's ready for whatever you're adding in it. You're frying fish. Once the oil gets really hot, make sure you take your time to add the fish in the oil, or it will flash up in your face or anywhere. So even when you dry the water, that's how fishes are. And I lay head, tail, because once you put two heads together, they're gonna knock head together, and then you're gonna have problem removing one from the other. So I do head, tail, head to tail. So here finishing up frying some fish. I did some fried fish, and I tried to season them from overnight because I wanted them to taste like Jamaican fish, even though they're not Jamaican fish, but to get a Jamaican flavor, a Jamaican vibes to it. Okay, yes, there I am smiling with you guys. Person's been saying you need to be in one or two other videos, but more time I'm cooking and it's hot. I don't have a AC in my kitchen. I'm just about getting the food prepped. I don't want to be in any video, but yes, there I am. You can see me. Okay, so it's not that I'm hiding. This was quick, this was easy. And for the candle, you see fish, once you're preparing fish in your home, I love to use candles. So I light a candle like in every room because the fish smell will be in the house. And I realize once I burn candles, the fish smell automatically goes. There you go, my little fried fishes. They're all done fried. And here you can see my Escoveitched sauce. Colorful, nice, hot. There it is, sprinkled on these fish. And guess what? Another video will be coming up where I show you how I make festivals from scratch. It's a Elsha thing. It's a Elsha style. It's a Jamaican thing. Anyway, guys, please make sure before you watch Or before the video ends, please subscribe, support me, share my videos, help me to climb the numbers up. See you again in my next video. Thank you again for watching. Thank you for subscribing. There I give you a little vibes, but you'll see my festivals coming up in my next video, and also a jar of lemon juice, sugar and water. Look at that, catch that. Things are going over here. This is lit. This is on fire. This girl is on fire. Wonder if YouTube gonna snap my video. But yeah, it's a vibe. It's a all vibes over here. So with the cooking, run go tell your family, run go tell your friend. Shelly have a vibes. Island flavor. Shell have a vibes. See you soon in my next video. Thank you. Bye.